Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at how to calibrate the arm sensor offset on the Graphtec CE Lite 50. Once you get your CE Lite 50 unboxed and powered on, there's a very important step you need to do to calibrate the arm sensor. The calibration dials in the offset between the sensor and the knife position and will make sure you get accurate cuts every time. The file will be located on the CD that shipped with the cutter and is called crosshairs.pdf. If you can't find this file, please contact our support department and they can make it available to you. You are going to need to load this file into image print and print it like you would an image. Do not scale or crop it. The file is 8.5 by 11. Just place it on the layout window as is and hit print. Cut it out does not need to be on for this. We do not need the registration marks for this procedure. Once your print comes out of the printer, you can load the sheet into the CE Lite 50. After the sheet is loaded, we are going to access the main menu on the front control panel. At the Home menu screen, select the icon in the upper right corner that resembles 3 bars. At the Settings menu, we're going to select Arms. At the Arms menu, we want to change to the second screen by selecting the book icon at the bottom. At the second screen, choose Sensor Offset Adjust. At the next menu, choose Scan, and using the arrows, position the knife holder in the first target area as shown in this illustration. Once in position, select OK, and the unit will scan for the mark and then make an X and Y cut on top of the mark. The paper will then move out of position. You do not need to remove the paper. Just look at the offset of the cut compared to the printed mark. From this point on, the adjustments are a little bit backwards to what you may think. Let's look at the horizontal cut first. If the cut is above the printed line, you will want to enter a positive value for the X offset. Select the X offset box and use the arrows to set a positive number to move the cut down. I usually move in increments of 2. If the cut is below the printed line, enter a negative value to move the cut up. For the vertical cut, if the cut is to the left of the printed line, enter a positive value to move the cut to the right. And if the cut is to the right of the printed line, enter a negative value to move the cut to the left. Now you can select the check mark at the bottom and select Scan again and position the knife as above, but this time on a different mark. Press OK and see if the cuts are corrected. Repeat the process until both the horizontal and vertical cuts are right on the printed lines of the mark. After each change to the offset, make sure you select the checkbox. When you are finished, just exit out of the menu and you are ready to begin using image print to print and cut some real jobs.